Alright, we're by another part of the garden center. We hear some music in the distance. And of course, he has to listen because he hears everything very well. And here's some area. Well, this is like all messed up, and I can see why the clutter's there because all these are ready to go to all the stores on their racks. They got tons of these. And here is he listening to the party music. I'm not sure if they use these and bring them to the store or what they do, but it's kind of nice to see how things are distributed before you buy the flowers. All those good quality flowers. I never really seen this part until I moved out here. It gives you a new perspective on gardeners that buy stuff. You can see the price tags here. Something was $15. That must have been a nice plant. And then we're going to move on to another area.